Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can charge your phone from your laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you will require is your charging cable. Right now here you can see this is the charging cable of my phone and it can vary from the mobile that you are using. Right now this is my iPhone's charging cable, so it is currently the Type-C in here, and in here you can see this is the iPhone cable. So if you're using an Android, there can be Type-C for your mobile and USB on the other end. So in my laptop here, you can see Type-C port is available right here. So all I'll need to do is simply connect my Type-C port right here of my charger. Just like this. And the next thing to do is simply connect this cable on my phone. Just like this, here you can see I'm going to connect this to my phone. And here you can see now my phone is successfully being charged. So the charging speed can be slow since you are charging from your laptop, but other than that, it will all be fine. And now your phone will now successfully be charged with your laptop. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can charge your phone from your laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.